Amara, we're going to go through this one first. So the first two are not correct. So let us go through step by step. So it could be your timetable, could be the issue. So let's see, 2 over 3 times 3 over 8. So you remember what we learned? If it's same number, you know you can divide by 3, divide by 3, which what you have done is correct. So you get what? You get 1. You get 1. Now down here is the mistake. You go in, can you see the screen? Cannot see, Can see. The what I'm circling, your work you can see? Can see so. Okay, so down here, the whiteboard also you can see. You can see two, both of them. Okay, you refer to this one. 2 divided by 2, you put 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 divided by 2 is 1. You get 1 down here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back. You can see the whiteboard down here. The whiteboard, you can see I'm writing the red in red. Can see now? Cannot. Can see, So now down here, 2 divided by 2 get 1. 8 divided by 2 get 4. So your mistake is you put down here 4. Actually, it's not 4. That's 2 times 2. You know your mistake, So now 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. The first answer is 1 over 4. Can you just write down on there? The answer is 1 over 4. You have your exercise book. You get the exercise book. So the first one is 1 over 4. The second one, let us see. I hope you can see this. You'll be able to see this, right? Or maybe I put like that. Now you can see. Can you see both? Cannot. Okay. Now the second one. Same thing. Divide by 7. Divide by 7. So for me, I will cancel, put 1. Cancel, put 1. Now down here, you say divide by 6. Okay. But 20 cannot divide by 6. You put divide by 6. 20 cannot divide by 6. And 6 divided by 6, you get 1. Okay. Then how do you get 3 down here? See, 1 times 1 is 1. But this one, the problem, we cannot divide by 6. This 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24. So you cannot use 6. You must use another number. Can you try this one? My suggestion is use 2 lah. Use 2. Use 2. Then you see, can you get the answer? Can try? You try this one, Cannot? You got answer, You know how to do the second one? Cannot. 6 divided by 2, 20 divided by 2. You cannot divide by 6 because 20 cannot divide by 6. Don't know. Okay. So I'm going to go step by step. Do you have your exercise book with you? The one that you do, you have it. Okay, you refer to your working, okay? And I'm going to ask you step by step whether you understand. First of all, this one divide by 7. You wrote on your exercise book also, divide by 7. This one you understand. You 7 divided by 7, you get 1. 7 divided by 7, you get 1. Now, these two now, division 2, 6 and 20. What is a number both of them can divide by? It's 2 lah. 6 can divide by 2. What's the answer? 20 can divide by 2. Ask yourself, what times 6? 2 equals to 6. What times 2 equals 20? Then you find the answer. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. Now what to do? Top times top. 3 times 1 is 3. 1 times 10 is 10. How? Are we okay? Can you write the correct working there so that you know your mistake in the exercise book? Okay. Okay, I got to give you another set of homework later. Can I? Okay, now the next one, once you're done, is number 6. Number 6, you refer to this one is question 2, you know. This one we are just doing is question 2. Question 3, you got correct. Question 4, you got correct. Question 5, you got correct. Yes, okay, no problem, no problem. Okay, so now down here now. Next one is 2 over, I write it clearly. 2 over 3 times 9 over 10. So let us see now. Both of these can divide by 3 and you divide by 3. Divide by 3, divide by 3. So 3 divided by 3, for me, I will cancel and put 1. 9 divided by 3, what times 3 is 9? 3, yeah? First thing. Then after that, what to do? Both of them can divide by 2. In fact, your working is correct. You put divide by 2. And you put divide by 2. 10 divided by 2, what times 2 equals to 10? 5. 2 divided by 2, same number must be 1. Now, 1 times 3 is 3. You have 6 down there. 1 times 5 is 5. Don't go in plus, no. So in your that thing, you don't have these answers I have. When I put divide by, I write the answers down. Then later I can times the answers. Yours now, you should write down the answers lah, so that you know what to times. Otherwise, you say 2 divided by 2, I do not know what the answer is. You get it? Get it? It's good to write all these answers. Yours, do you write answers? Number 2 you wrote, number 2, number 1, number 3 you wrote, number 5 you wrote, number 4 you wrote, number 6 you didn't write. You look at the pattern. You look at the pattern. I show you. This is what. Can you see now? Number 4 you got correct. Why? You wrote the answer down. Answer you wrote down. See answer. You wrote down the answer. Can see. You wrote down. So when you don't write the answer, this one you didn't write answer. 10 divided by 2, what's the answer? You didn't write. You must write 5 down somewhere around here. This one you must write 3. This one you must write 1. Then you take 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 5 is 5. Otherwise, you don't know what to times by. Or you got to calculate as you are. You want to times, you got to calculate. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 1 times 3. But you see, it's easier. You have your answer here. 1 times 1. Get 1 correct. 1 times 4. Get 4. Well done. So you can see even from your working, when you don't write the answer, you will get stuck. Okay, we look at the next one now. This one you wrote. Okay, so 2 divided by 2 answer is 1 correct. 12 divided by 2, the answer is 6, correct. Then 10 divided by 5, answer is 2. 5 divided by 5, answer is 1. So you need to take these numbers. You already have 1 times 2. What's the answer? You go in plus. Our friend go in plus 1 plus 2. No, plus. We want times. Same thing. Down here, 1 times 6 is 6. So the bottom is correct on here. Top down here is supposed to be what? 1 times 2 is 2 lah. Then you can divide some more. Can divide by 2. Or can divide by 2, can divide by 2. What do you get? You get your final answer is 1. Alamak. You divide by 2 lah. Macam mana ni? This thing. Hold on, ya. Okay, divide by 2, you get 1/3. Are you okay? You know your can see now. If not, I'll write on the, I think too small lah. Okay, I will write on the thing. I'll write on that. Okay, this is now. Let me just write down what you wrote down. You wrote 2/5 times 10/12. Now, your working is correct. You put divide by 2, and then your answer, you write 6 down here. Very good. This one, you divide by 2. Your answer, you put, divide by 5. This one, you divide by 5. This one also, you divide by 5. This one, you divide by 2. So you wrote down here, number 1 is correct. This one, you put number 1 is correct. This one, you put number 2 is correct. So everything is correct already. All you need to do is to times. 1 times 2. Answer is 2. 1 times 6. Answer is 6. But you notice, can divide some more lah. Can divide by 2 some more. Can divide by 2 some more. So your final answer, 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2. 1 times 2 is 6. 3, yeah? This is your final answer. But you must get 2/6. You got 3/6. How? Are you okay? Can or not? So what is it? Is it timetables is an issue, or careless, or what? You got to ask yourself, okay? Because once you go to P6, this must be chicken for you. You're not chicken, then you will. Okay, never mind. We go to question number 9. Question number 9. Question number 8, you got correct. Question number 9. 5/7 times 14/25. So this is what you did. You divide this by 5. You look at your working. You divide by 5. This one you divide by 5. Very good. And your answer is also correct. You got 5 here. This one you got 1. Well done. Then this one you divide by 7. You divide by 7. And also you got correct. 7 divided by 7 you get 1. 14 divided by 7 you get 2. But your final answer you got wrong. 1 times 2 is 2. On top number is correct. The next one, 1 times 5, you put 10. Not 10. 1 times 5 is 5 lah. Correct or not? So actually you know how to do. You just got to be careful. If you're not careful, habis lah. Okay, you got to be careful. So we look at the next one. The next one is number 10. Number 10. Okay, I'll write for you what you have written so that it's easier for you to see. Okay, you put 3/7. This is number 10. 3/7 times 14/15. Let us see. Did you get this correct? Okay, you divide by 7 here. Good. You divide by 7 here. Good. But let us see. Careless. Yeah, sometimes it happens. It happens. You 7 divided by 7, you get 1. 14 divided by 7, you get 2. So your working is correct. You see, you wrote 1 and 2. You check your exercise book, you wrote 1 and 2. And then divide by, this one divide by 3. You get 1. This one divide by 3, you get 5. Now you tell me what's the correct answer. How come you can get wrong? Come on. You take this times 1 times 2 over 1 times 5. You can do this. 1 times 2, you wrote 3, you go in plus lah. Don't plus. You must times. Yeah. Okay, remember this is times here. You got the times. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 5 is 5. How? Okay now. Are you okay? You can understand, right? It's quite easy, right? 2 over 5. Yes, 2 over 5. Okay, let me check the rest now. Let me check that because I couldn't mark that one. Hold on, let me see. Number 12. Number 11 is correct. Okay, I want you to try. I'm going to give the question on this screen now. You try to do, but you don't do an exercise book, and then you see whether can you do this or not. You try this one. This is actually number 12, but you try to do because your number 12 is wrong. You try to do this one. Can or not? I check your working to see whether you're correct. I cannot see the last one. Your answer for the last one, 24 divided by 6, you get 4, is it? This time you get 4. You put 4 here, right? You put 3 here, right? Was this 4 down here? Yes, right? The second one are all answers. Correct? Is it correct? Yes, right? 1. So now, all you need to do is just times the circle numbers and you get your answer. I think sometimes you go in plus lah. You go in plus again. You try what's answer? You tell me what's answer. Not 4 over 3, 3 over 4. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 4 is 4. 3 over 4, eh? Not 4 over 3. Okay, good. Let me check now the next one. Number 13, correct. Number 14, correct. Number 15, hold on. Number 15, you got to check. Okay, we try number 15 now. You try. What do you do? How can do, no? Can do. So what's the answer? Can, Amara? Can or not? No. Okay. This one, you do like what you did. These two can divide. 7 can divide by 7. 14 can divide by 7. You can also go down this way. This two, then this one you can divide by what? Can divide by 4. Can divide by 4. You try. Okay, so this one, this time don't go this way. Up and down here. Up and down here. You try. Okay, kan? Okay, eh? Are you okay, Amara? Okay. Well, I think 1/100. That means, yeah. Okay, so let's check. Let's check. Your answer 105. You got the same answer. Let us see. 7 divided by 7, 1. 14 divided by 7, 2. Did you plus or did you the thing? 4 divided by 4, 1. 12 divided by 4, 3. Now, 1 times 1, you got 1, correct? Well done. 3 times 2, not 5. Don't plus. 3 times 2, 6. Okay, kan? Your working also, I think, is okay. I think it's sometimes you go in plus lah. Or is it wrong timetable? You're okay, right? You understand, right? You understand, right? Or you're 3 times 2, get 6 lah. Are you okay, Amara? You're confused. I don't know. I got the same answer. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 2 is what? 3 times 2. You put 1 over 5. 3 times 2 is 6, what? 3 times 1 is 3, correct or not? 3 times 2 is 6, right? So it's 1 over 6 lah. Yours is 1 over 5. 1 over 5 means you take 3 plus 2 lah, I think. Okay, so we do one. So now we move on to the next one. The next one, you got it correct, but can still be reduced. You look at question 16, your answer is 3 over 9. Correct, it's still correct. But both can still divide some more. Can divide by 3. So what is your answer? You can still, for number 16, your answer is 3 over 9. Can still divide by 3. So your final answer is, what is your final answer? Can or not? Can, right? One over 3, well done. Okay. So number 17, you got correct. Number 18. Number 18, I can't really see clearly, but the question is saying 2 over 9 times 6 divided by 14. Now, this is what we do now. You go and divide 9 by 6, cannot. The 6 times table is 6, 12, 18. There is no 9 divided by 6, cannot get answer. You can divide by 3. So can you try again? You can divide 9 by 3. You can divide 6 by 3. For 2, you can divide by 2, correct? And 14 divide by 2, correct? So 2 and 14 are correct, but only the 9, this one I underline in red. This one you divide by the wrong number. Can you try this? You try, eh? This is question number 18, eh? Your mistake is here. You go and divide by 6. Cannot divide by 6. You try, you try, you try. Not okay, must tell me, eh? If you're not okay. Okay, you're okay, right, so far? Okay. Can you do not? Can I? Can do. Can. Okay. Well done. Well done. Means you can do it. You can do this. Alhamdulillah. Well done. So that means you're okay with question number 18 now. Congratulations. 2/21 is the correct answer. Oh, that's the end of the homework. Okay, no problem. I will give you my own homework now. Okay, you try. Okay, here we go. Let me clear this one. So you're okay. You're okay. But maybe it is your division that might be a problem. Let me go test you, okay? Let's see how long will you take to do this 5 division question. But you know how to do division, right? Let's say I'll give you 10. Don't do this yet. Don't do this yet. Your answer now, you ask what? What times 2 equals to 10? That's your answer, right? You must ask that way lah. You do timetable style. Okay. So you try question 1. Okay, question number 2. Okay, all these you need to know because you're in primary 5 already, so it is expected. Okay, 4 questions. And go as fast as possible. When you finish one, you send. Finish one, you send. Finish one, you send. So I know how fast you are. Good for question number 1. Question number 2. What times 7 equals 35? Well done. Question number 2 is also 5. Question number 3 is not 5. 24 divided by 6. This is 6, in case you cannot see. Well done. Well done. 4, correct. And the last one. Right? The last one. 14 divided by 7. You have done a lot. Well done. So you look at the reverse. What times 7 equals to 14? Okay. So now we're gonna do now. Okay. Try first one. Now number two. I'm giving you number 2 first because I'm gonna write the rest there. Try number 2. Can you get number 2? Sometimes not crisscross, might be up down only. So number 1 and 2. Once you finish number 2, just tell me the answer. Yeah. Just give me a moment. Eh? Are you okay, Amara? You know how to do? Yes, great, great, great. Two over two. Let us see how you get 2 over 2. You can you show me your working? You show me your working. You just can you just put up and show me? Let me see that. Can I see? Hold on. No, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't stop. Ah, your working is absolutely correct. Remember, top answer times top answer, bottom answer times bottom answer. You check your working. Top answer is 1 times 1 in the top. 2 times 2 in the bottom. You try. What's your answer again? What's your answer again? You can do it. You can do this. What's your answer? You type in the answer. You try. Your top is 1 and 1. Your bottom, you know your mistake or not? Do you know your mistake? So what's your answer? Correct answer is what? Oh, what happened? Sorry. Sorry, cannot see. Hold on. What happened? Okay. You know what's your correct answer? You know? You said. You must send a correct answer. Your top is 1 and 1. Bottom is 2 and 2. Must times them together. Yes, 1 over 4. Well done. You try the next one. Now, next one, don't get scared. Right? This one, you know what to put under the 12, just put 1. 12 whole is same as 12 over 1. Right? Okay, good. You try. Don't be afraid of that. Huh? 1/36. Okay. Oh yeah, hold on. Okay, so it's not 1/36. We do together. Okay, this one. This one you won't get a fraction. It's 12/1. 4 and 12 can both be divided by 4. 4 divided by 4, 12 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4 is what? Is 1. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 12 divided by 4, what times 4 equals 12? 3. So take 3 times 3, 9. Over 1 times 1 is 1. So this is equals to 9. Are you okay? You understand? Can, huh? So, yeah, this is, you just need to be careful. Because I'm afraid that if we practice this one, you might have forgotten this one. Okay, but never mind. We'll give you another one later. Can you try question number 3, please? Question number 3. Question number 3. Go. Go. Please carry on, carry on. You do question 5. The other one, I'll give you a homework so I can write the worksheet straight. Can you do number 5, eh? Number 5. Once you finish number 5, tell me. Okay. Sure. Yeah, mom's calling. Ken and Amara? Ken? You have 9 and 9. Ken and not? You know what to do. Same thing. It's the same thing. One over 10. Well done. Okay, we do a last one, number 8. Because I have another tuition coming up. Can you try number 8? Remember to put over like that, huh? You know what to do, right? You try. Number 8. Yeah. Hey, alamak, what happened? Huh? Aduh. Okay, Amara, one more minute, because my other student are waiting to come in. So you can do this as homework. Ken, I will send you again, but you copy down this question I will send you question 1 to 8 again. You try again. Okay. This one you halfway done. You know how to do? You know, okay. Never mind. You do as homework. I got to let the other student in now because his tuition is 8:45 actually. So I will catch up you. You send it to me within 2 days, okay, by Wednesday. Otherwise you might forget nanti. Okay? You take care. Bye-bye. You leave because I'm letting him in straight. Okay.